Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ranah Minang has many tribes or clans. So this time we will share about how the brief history of one of the tribes is the Koto tribe. The Koto tribe is one of the indigenous tribes in Minangkabau, West Sumatra province. This tribe is one of the four main tribes, known as Lareh Koto Piliang, led by Datuk Katumanggungan, one of the founders of the Minangkabau customary system. The Koto tribe is one of four main tribes, Marga, found in two main clans in the Minangkabau ethnic group. Koto is related to Piliang. Initially, the Minangkabau ethnic group had two clans tribes in the Minang language, namely the Koto Piliang clan tribe and the Bodi Chaniago clan tribe. 1. History and origin of the Koto tribe. The name of the Koto tribe comes from the word Koto, which comes from the Sanskrit word kata, which means fort, where in the past this fort was made of bamboo. Inside this fort, there were also settlements for several residents, which later became a koto, which also means city. In Batak language it is called huta, which means village. In the past, the Koto tribe was one with the Piliang tribe, but due to population growth, this tribal combination was divided into two tribes, namely the Koto tribe and the Piliang tribe. The Koto tribe is led by Datuk Katumanggungan, who has a militarist aristocratic sect, where the philosophy of the Koto Piliang tribe is manitya, dari, tabasui, dari, batango, nayak bajanjang, turun down from above, up from below, up the stairs, down the steps. Datuk Katumanggungan gadang-dek, digadangkan, big because he is glorified by many people. Meanwhile, Datuk Perpatihan Sumatra taga, somewhere tinggi, stand at the same height, duduk samuranda, sitting with legs. 2. Rolling custom decor. Tribe has an important role in the Minangkabau customary system, together with the Piliang tribe. This tribe plays a role in regulating customs and governance in Minangkabau through the Lareh Koto Piliang system, which has a strict hierarchical structure and is oriented towards patrilineal descent. 3. Customs and culture. The Koto tribe, like other Minangkabau tribes, adheres to a matrilineal system, where lineage and inheritance are passed down through the mother's line. However, in its customary governance system, the Koto tribe tends towards a patrilineal structure in terms of leadership and decision-making. That's a little story